How is a transaction actually done through eFarm Direct? How do we monitor the payments? How do we ensure the quality? And what is the role which eFarm's team actually does in this entire transaction? Basically, eFarmDirect.com is a portal which is very similar, as I mentioned earlier, to a matchmaking kind of portal. So what we do is give choices of both buyers and sellers. So the actual marriage actually happens between the two parties. We provide the mutual contact numbers and references and all the information, and we expect the two parties to meet and do any handshaking and any referral checks physically directly between them. Because even in the case of marriage, just because you see somebody's profile and you have chatted with them doesn't mean that you go ahead and marry them immediately. And if, in case you have bad marriages, you cannot blame the system for making the marriage, because it's a choice which you have made. Yes, bad marriages might happen, but what we have done is once again given very similar systems to what exists in other portals. So you can make a complaint, you can give a reference, like for example, if it's good or bad, we encourage the customers to make a small feedback. You can give positive and negative feedbacks, and this over time it starts giving a rating which other people can also start looking at. In case of very severe financial issues which has arisen where one party or the other has cheated, we also have something called as an online panchayat, in which case you can be referred to a small internal referendum kind of thing, where the ombudsman from our team, the person who registered you locally, and a third party person who's kind of a slightly senior judge or somebody whom we can appoint, and who can actually take these case by case and try to make sure that these kind of things do not repeat in the past. Yes, initially these kind of issues will crop up, but we feel that we have the systems in place so that over a period of time people will start realizing that if you do something wrong, it gets visible and everybody else gets to know. So that way it is easy to weed out some of these negative cases from the system.